Hey guys, this video is about how to change your Netflix language on your phone. So if you open your Netflix app, go to your profile, click on the top right corner, click the menu icon, then click account. If you scroll down here, you won't see the options to change the language. So what we're gonna do is go to home, open a browser, I use Safari, log in your account, click the menu icon here, account, scroll down, you will see these profiles. Click on your profile, change language. Now, choose whatever language you want to change into. Then click Save. After that, relaunch your Netflix app and that should do it. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.